Still there.
Ooh. Oh. Yeah. Nice fish. Fish on. Plastic. Oh, yeah. Get that bass up here. Dude.
I saw its mouth and I'm like, oh, that's a big crappie. That's another bass.
God dang it.
That's not a keeper. Oh, there's still one. Oh.
Mouth's gotta be closed. Stop! He's gonna splash all the minnows out! Just set up in here. Got that one.
Nice crappie.
Just got hammered. We're about freaking 2 feet down.
Not even.
Oh, good save.
Bad save.
Dude! There's a fish bite.
It's gonna remind me of like one of them challenge commercials. Keep it like
I'm gonna start
behind you.
tossing behind us.
Ooh,
Nice. What?
walleye. It's a walleye. No, don't throw it back.
Got him. Let's find out. It's crappie.
Which is a good sign, I guess.
It's not bad.
Chasing. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Just
Nice fish.
That's a big one.
That's big one. That's a big one.
That's a nice fish. Yeah, it is.
Not bad.
Jeez. Uh-oh. Dad, look out the window.
What's up? Go on. It's getting hot in here. What the hell have you got going on with the fishing pole, Con?
It's nothing.
Yeah. It didn't reel.
I didn't do anything. Yeah, I found it. On the outside of the shanty. Nice crappie.
Could be a little drafty in here. Oh, here we go again.
No.
Oh, swing and a miss. I have to bring this inside tonight.
Home run.
Whoa, boy. It's cute. You get well. Just try to get big.
Oh. That's a nice crappie.
Still don't think we have enough for dinner, do you?
Well, we can use some fish from the last time we came.
Shit, there's fish on there. Ooh, that's a bass.
No, that's not 15 or 14. We'll still get a measurement. Hey. Oh, uh-oh. That's the next one. Oh, my drag's tight. Ooh. Big crappie.
Nice crappie.